Let's go into J-function cores, and what we'll do is we'll pick a J-function that looks bi-modal. So here's our capillary pressure curves changed to J. So we'll pick one of these, that's perfect. And what we'll do is we'll pick one of the J-function fitting models. We'll pick the O'Mara bi-modal. We'll fit this curve. Great. We'll save the J-function. Let's rename it bi-modal. Okay, and we'll save it. And then what we'll do is we'll close this dialog and we'll go to the relative permeability dialog, step 3 of GeoFlow. Here we've got our bimodal curve and we can see the relative permeability. There's the logarithmic. Notice that the relative permeability to water is very low until the water saturation reaches 0.6. This has important consequences in the field because you can produce dry oil from very high water saturation. And now we can go up here and we can look at the trapping curve. And we have different types of trapping models. There's the land, here's the Spiteri where you can play with the wettability. Now we'll go back up here and we'll look at the fractional flow. Next, you can save your relative perm curves. And what you would do is when you're finished the GeoFlow workflow, you go back into Petrel, you do your 3D calculation. And then under the Rock Physics Functions tab, you'll see the different relative perms that you've saved. Let's click these all on to show you in a function window. Now let's slide up to Simulation, and under Define Your Simulation Case, we'll click on that. And you'll see here now we've got your J functions and your relative perm ready to go into simulation. And that's all for now. I hope this has helped.